Welcome to Kids Kingdom of Fun Learning.
Ready to expand your vocabulary while having fun? First up, we have the idiom hang in there, which encourages perseverance. And our phrase of the day is left on read, a modern twist on communication. Let's break them down and see how you can use them in your daily conversations. Let's dive into the idiom hang in there. This means to not give up and to keep trying, especially in tough situations. So, if you're studying hard for exams and feeling overwhelmed, remember, just hang in there. You've got this. Now let's explore our phrase left on read. This happens when someone reads your message but doesn't reply. It can be a bit frustrating, right? Imagine texting a friend about dinner plans and seeing that they've read your message but haven't responded. It's like being in conversation limbo. You've learned hang in there to encourage perseverance and left on read for those texting frustrations. Keep practicing these phrases in your conversations, and soon you'll be using them like a pro. Remember, learning idioms and phrases makes your language skills even more colorful. See you next time for more fun expressions.
Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Stay connected and see you all soon in the next episode.